In this video, I'll show you how to quickly sell your shares inside your Invest or ISA account using either the mobile app or the web app. The steps are identical, and it only takes a moment. Let's get started. First, open your app and look at the bottom of the screen. Tap on the pie chart icon next to the Home button. This will take you straight to your portfolio overview where all your investments are listed. Once you're inside your portfolio, scroll through your list of companies and select the one you want to sell. Tap on it to open the company's page. Here, you'll see your position, how many shares you hold, and your current profit or loss. Now tap Sell. You'll be taken to the order screen where you can choose how many shares you'd like to sell or switch to selling by value instead. Adjust the amount until it matches exactly what you want to sell. When you're ready, tap Review Order. Double-check the details of your sell order, and if everything looks good, send the order to execute it. Your shares will now be sold at the best available market price based on your order type, and that's it. Your sale is complete. Just a quick note here. If you don't see the Sell button, it may be because those shares are currently held inside a pie. You would need to remove them from the pie first before selling.